Hi, hope everyone's having a great Saturday. Let's do some more Star Wars. I set up my collection behind me on the little shelf there. So now I want to open some more. And I had these Disney Doorables Star Wars Hyper Peak. There's 12 of them to collect. I got 6 of them to open. I already opened one. And they come with the collector's guide. And there's the 6 or 12 that you can collect. And then it comes with a card, a very shiny card, and it says Night Trooper on it there, and shows a picture of the figure. And then this is the first figure that I opened. I haven't seen these before, so let's see what else we can get out of the 6. Let's hope there's no dupes. No dupes, no dupes. I don't want to look at the card. Let's just see the character. Which one is it? Oh, nice. Balin Skull. Nice. Take a better look at the character. I don't remember him. I must not be that far in the timeline series yet. Or I just don't remember. Alright, here's number 3. Let's see what we get. Oh, cool, it's a robot. Chopper C110P. He's cute. I like Chopper. I like the robots. They're my favorites. The robots, Chewbacca, the Ewoks, and Yoda, and Jabba, or Jar Jar Binks. Not Jabba the Hutt, but he's cool. Oh, we got our first dupe. It's Balin again, so I'm just going to leave him right in the package. I know somebody that'll want it. Alright, let's hope no more dupes. 5 different characters. Come on. One more after this bag. Oh, it's another dupe. It's Night Trooper. So we're going to stick him right back in there too. Okay. Last bag. Will we at least get 4 different characters? What do you think? I'm not going to peek. Who do I want? A lot of them. And, oh, it's another Balin Skull. So, out of the 6 of them, we got 3 different characters. Boo, eBay seller. No, I'm just kidding. They're blind baits. They didn't know. But we got 3, and we got neat cards to go with them. Which one's your favorite out of the 3? Mine's the robot. Although he's kind of cool. I've never seen him before. The Night Trooper. Alrighty. That's what I got. Have a great day.